All right, let me show you how to resize your photos using ON1 Resize as a plugin to Adobe Lightroom Classic. Start by finding the photo you want to work on and selecting it inside of Lightroom. Then go to the File menu, down to Plugin Extras, and then select ON1 Resize. Lightroom will generate a processed version of your photo and sends it to Resize, and it'll appear here inside of the Resize workspace. On the right-hand side, you'll see the original document size. This is the size right out of the camera, 4,000 pixels by 3,000 pixels. And if we were to print this at 300 pixels per inch, it's about a 10 by 13. Let's say we want to scale this up to a larger print, a 30 by 40 inch print. And we're going to print it on an Epson printer with fine art paper. So I'm going to use the Epson matte category. I'm going to select the preset category, then scroll down until I find the size of print that I want to make, the 30 by 40, and I'll select it. This will turn on the crop tool automatically for us so that we can crop our photo if necessary. Keep in mind, oftentimes the original photo's aspect ratio doesn't match the aspect ratio of the print, so cropping is necessary. We're lucky in this case that they actually happen to match. You'll see up here in the crop tool options bar, there's our width of 40, our height of 30, and it's set a resolution for us automatically. And it even knows that we're printing on an Epson printer, so it's adjusted the resolution to 360 accordingly, the optimal printer resolution. When you're done cropping, hit the Apply button. You'll note in the document size pane it matches 40 by 30 at 360. It also has done the correct amount of sharpening for our printer paper size. When you're ready, press the Done button. Your newly resized photo will appear back inside of Lightroom stacked with the original photo. There you go. That's how it's done. Thanks for watching.